Look at a handful of sand. It seems worthless, just dead rocks crushed by time. But if you heat it, purify it, and arrange its atoms perfectly, it starts to think.
This is the story of how we tricked a rock into doing math. The microchip. It is the most complex structure ever built by humans.
It powers your phone, your car, the internet, and the artificial intelligence speaking to you right now. It is the engine of our reality. It starts with silicon, the second most common element on Earth. But to make a chip, it must be 99.9999% pure. We melt it and grow it into a giant crystal log, then slice it into wafers thinner than a human hair. These are the blank canvases of the digital age. Light, we print billions of tiny switches called transistors onto the surface. It's like printing a map of the entire world on a fingernail. In the 1950s, computers were the size of rooms. Then, a few rebels in California decided to shrink them. They founded what we now call Silicon Valley. They created the integrated circuit. Instead of wiring separate parts, they baked everything into one solid piece of stone. It changed everything. Gordon Moore predicted that chips would get twice as powerful every 2 years. He was right. We went from 2 transistors to 50 billion in a single chip. If you look closely at a modern chip, it looks like a city. Highways for electrons, skyscrapers of memory. But the streets are only a few atoms wide. We are now building structures so small that the laws of physics start to break down. We are reaching the atomic limit. This sand doesn't just calculate anymore, it learns. We are entering the age of neural processing units, chips designed to mimic the human brain. From a grain of sand to artificial intelligence, we truly live in a science fiction reality. This is Method and Myth. Thanks for watching.